Hey everybody, in this video we're going to cover your accessory options for your Muse desktop laser cutter. So what I have here in front of me is the COOLBOX setup for the Muse laser. This internally has a small water pump and air compressor. On the back here we have signal ports that go to your machine and the water and air and power. Additionally, you have the exhaust port that goes on the back of the machine that comes with the COOLBOX. And all this system talks to one another, so it only runs while your laser's running. So let's now talk about the hobby kit. The hobby kit comes with everything that the COOLBOX is. It's just everything is separated. So you'll see that it comes with the air compressor separate. It comes with a scroll fan. That's separate. This guy's separate. Most importantly, the water pump is separate. So the one thing about the water pump is that it needs to be submerged in a bucket. Some people don't like this option because it's not as clean, kind of takes up a lot of space. So keep that in mind.